This thing's awesome. It's a baby version.
No, look who showed up. Thank you, Sarge. You're at the ring thing. Ain't trying to keep this guy off the range.
We're here. We're doing it. What do we have today, man?
Man, here's what you're familiar with, right? The SOCOM XP model. Still the SOCOM model, right? Here. Now we got in contact. Look. Yeah. Stay tuned.
All right, so we got the SOCOM 9C. Check out that. This thing's awesome. It's a baby version of the SOCOM, which I have the Frontline. Let's test it out.
Thank you.
And I'm terrible. Man, that thing shoots good. That thing shoots real good. Appreciate you, Juan. Thank you for having me out here, man. You guys,
you know you're always welcome, man. Whatever you need. Sarge, always a strong supporter of Sarge, and if you want our guns on the podcast, we really appreciate it. So I'm gonna put a little something that we've been playing with. Check it out, man.
Ready, man.
So look at that. That thing. So what we did, added the DCS magwell, got with some other manufacturers here in Dallas, changed up the plunger, lightened up the recoil spring to 15 pounds, and changed out the trigger. So that we had Cerakoders in Houston put a Cerakote job on it. It's
Nice stipple. Yeah, the stipple. So the stipple, the one thing I'm noticing about it is like the Velcro pouch. So it's really good. It's not super grippy, but it's grippy enough to, when you get a hold of it, you know you got it. You're not going to lose it. Even with the rain that we have going on here, it's still going to run. So this thing's nice.
Check out that finger good.
Yeah. So look at that. Perfect. Nice little Velcro right here for your hand. Need to marry up. Yeah. These many contest points here. Fantastic. This thing, definitely a star.